welcome to another episode of Tone Quest, and this time we are going to compare Studio One 5's Fat Channel XT, particularly the vintage compressor RC500, to a warm audio bus compressor. Warm audio bus compressor is an analog compressor, and I think the RC500 is the closest to it when it comes to settings. So I want to compare it there, and let's see if the analog gear is just placebo or is it the real thing. I know that a lot of you are using digital compressors in the DAW, the plugins, which are really amazing. They sound really good. They sound, let's say, lifelike, or sounds like the real thing. But I just want to know how it sounds compared to the real analog bus compressor. That's the bus compressor with the comp engaged already, and I have this settings. Basically, attack is not so quick. It's not so quick, kind of slow. Ratio is 4, of course. Release is auto, and I just put a little bit of high pass filter on the 30 hertz, and I did engage the cinematic transformers. Threshold is 0 dB. Okay, I think just above 0 dB. All right. Okay. These are the settings of the RC500. As you can see, very close. And I've level matched them so that walang lamang. So how are we going to do this experiment? It's simple. I'll turn my back on you guys. If I make a closed fist, that's no comp activated. If I put 1, and then I'll put 2. So it's up to you to guess which one is 1, which one is 2. Okay? So later in the comment section, try to guess it. And I'll reveal also which one was the bus comp and which one was the RC500 plugin. Okay, there you go. Alright, let's start. Okay, here we go. No compression at all. Let's play the track. Very interesting, very interesting test. I'm gonna link SoundCloud export files down below in the description. Please download the files, listen on high quality headphones or good monitor speakers. It's very interesting. Okay, since I know the result, since I know what I was doing, which is which, in my ears, in this room, the bus comp really wins. I mean, it just wins. There's physics going on. It's not placebo at all. The RC500, the plugin is really good as well. It gives there's a frontal quality to it. I mean, it's like with the RC500 with the plugin, it's like covering the front of the track, which gives a good effect. It's like really bringing the track up front. But as soon as I engage the bus comp, it becomes 3D. There's a 3D quality to it. It's wider. So cliche to say it, but it's wider. Is it warmer? Yes, it's warmer. So I'm gonna link SoundCloud download link down on the description below. Like this video if you liked it. Don't like it if you don't. Subscribe if you want more videos such as this. Thank you, Marco Roboto out.